Can you see through there? Can you see, Bebe?
Trying to. I just saw it.
Okay, get your left hand away from that receiver. There, just like that. Perfect. Are you ready to shoot?
Oh my God, I love it.
Alright, when you're ready to shoot.
I'm ready.
Well, you got to take it off safety, Goosebutt.
Oh.
Take it off the safety. There you go. Take your time.
Look at that.
Alright. Sight everything up. Get that finger off the trigger until you're ready. There you go. Keep on going. Take your time.
Yep, got it.
Keep on going, babe. Don't worry about taking your eye. Keep your eye in that scope right there, alright? Squeeze that trigger. There you go. Keep on going. Keep on going, sugar. There you go. We've knocked that one down. That's it. You're all done. Alright, put that safety back on. Alright.
Some more bullets in.
How was that?
Very fun.
How many cans you hit?
2.
Alright.
I think we need a little bit of bullets to get that last can.
Alright, we will. Alright, let's go reload the gun.